Alright guys, in this little video I'm going to show you how to import some pictures and some content to put on screens, as well as show you how to duplicate some objects and then also use something called the repeat grid tool. So what you can see here is we've got a chair and you need to be working in number 2, import content. So we've got a little chair here, and what we're going to do is import some images of some additional chairs. So let's just say that this is a shop app or something like that for chairs. Not particularly exciting, but that's okay for this purposes. And we're going to basically create some other images. Now there's a couple ways we could go about this. Now the first way works well, but it can be a little bit slow and finicky. So what I want you to do is make sure your selection tool is selected. I'm going to select this chair here, and I'm going to hold Option like that and make a copy. Then what I'm going to do is drag select, make another, hold Option on your keyboard and make another copy, and then another copy there as well. Now what you're seeing is we've got these little pink things showing up. That's trying to tell us that the space between all the images is the same or different. So that's one way we could do it. Now that works okay, but it can be a little bit slow at times, particularly if you've got lots and lots of images. So what I want you to do now is hit Command Z once, hit Command Z again, and hit it one more time. So that's 3 Command Zs to bring us back to this stage here. And I'm going to show you how to use something a little bit more efficient. So for this one, we're going to use the repeat grid tool, which will set us up and do the same thing, but much more quickly. So I want you to select this one. We're going to go up to repeat grid up here. Make sure you're in the design tab, repeat grid, and we get these little dialog boxes. So now I can click and drag these, and it's going to repeat that grid or that image. And then I can grab these ones here. I'm going to have 6 images set up on my artboard. Now the good thing about this is I can then, if I want to, adjust the spacing between them like that, but I'm actually going to leave it just like that. And then I could do that here as well if I wanted to. So much more quickly. And then what we do is hit ungroup grid, and we've got separate images ready for content. Now what we're going to do is import some other images for these chairs. So what I want you to do is make sure that you don't have full screen selected and drag over this screen here. And in your tutorials, you have a folder there called Chair Images and Text. So double click that. And I just want you guys to grab several chairs. So let's say 5 other chairs, and just pull them into those spaces there, just like I am here. Make sure you don't grab the text. Here's another chair. Here's another chair. And another chair. So now we can quickly create a bit of a gallery for our shop or whatever it is we were doing for this particular app, and it's ready to go, and we can then create some interactivity and those sorts of things in the next stages if needed. Alright guys, that's it for this one. So in the next one, I'm going to show you how to set a scroll height for your screens. Thanks guys.